Welcome to the October 2023 issue of Cleaner Magazine. This preview is brought to you by GapVax. Check out the spotlight on page 68. On the cover, meet Dave Ferrier, the owner of Dr. Rooter, a thriving New York drain cleaning company. Learn how he built a network of contractors who lacked drain cleaning services, fostering a mutually beneficial referral system that fueled his business's success. Have you been profiled in Cleaner Magazine? Kyle Rogers, editor of Cleaner, would like to hear from you to catch up on how you're doing today. Email editor@cleaner.com. Carrie Hansen, founder of Hansen's Plumbing and Mechanical, reveals how a shift to drain-related work has improved profitability, efficiency, and training. Also explore their journey to electric service vehicles and the benefits they bring. Joel George, owner of Drain Doctor in Toledo, Ohio, shares how a Model 184 truck-mounted water jetter from Mongoose transformed his drain cleaning business, offering power, versatility, and productivity. Discover why it's the machine he swears by. Discover how home warranty service contracts can benefit homeowners by providing cost-effective protection for sewer and plumbing issues. From a contractor's perspective, learn how to navigate home warranty work effectively while protecting your brand and reputation. Utility locating in congested underground environments is evolving. Learn how to address interference, choose the right frequencies, and leverage data to streamline your utility locating process. Discover best practices from experienced technicians in the field. The 2023 Pipeline Repair and Rehabilitation Directory is here. Whether you're looking for UV CIPP, pipe bursting, manhole rehab, or grouting, we've got you covered in this comprehensive listing of all the top companies offering these solutions. Speaking of CIPP lining methods and projects, dive into the world of cutting-edge equipment and materials used by experienced professionals. Learn how these innovations are changing the game in underground infrastructure repair. Get inspired by real-life success stories in CIPP lining. Explore how innovative solutions like UV cure systems and structural liners saved breweries, schools, and cities from pipe disasters. Learn from the experts who tackled these challenges head-on. In the spotlight, discover GapVax's innovative VHX series hydrovac trucks that effortlessly meet bridge law weight regulations. These powerhouse vehicles offer a 15,000-pound payload and a low 12-foot 2-inch profile. Explore how GapVax balanced weight and performance, providing you with the ultimate hydro-excavation solution. Cleaner Magazine is for and about you, and we appreciate your support. Be safe out there, and give us a shout at editor@cleaner.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next month.